Hi guys, Chad here at Guarantee RV. We got your Work and Play here by Forest River 2019. It's 19 WCB is the model number on this one here. A couple cool features about this particular unit. It has an electric jack system, so you don't have to do the hand crank and all that good stuff while you're trying to set up. You're going to get some bigger propane tanks there, as you see. As we come around to the side here, we're going to kind of go inside and take a look. One of the cool things is this one does actually come with a 4 seasons package. It also comes with solar ready, so you can buy those panels and just plug them in and you're good to go there. Solid step, pretty new feature there, and a big handle, which I like, so I don't fall out. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. All right, so as we get inside, this is one of our smaller units, perfect for a nice little, probably 2-seater side by side, or a couple quads. Just a nice little getaway rig here. You got your fridge, your kitchen, everything's equipped really nice so you can fit your toys in here still. Obviously that's important for a toy hauler to be able to fit some toys in here. I mean, that's kind of what you buy it for. Up front's gonna be your bed. And as my camera guy, hey, get out of the way, man. As he's over here, I'll have him shoot the bathroom as well. Nice open bathroom for a small unit. Tons of space to do whatever you need to do. Another cool feature about this, if you do want to bring some friends, this comes down into essentially either a couple chairs or benches, and you can put a table down there, or you could use it to sleep on. Also, the top one comes down, so you kind of have 3 queen beds in this unit. So it's kind of cool if you really want to like use it and have some friends, or you got some kids or whatever, and go out and have some fun at the dunes. But a lot of cool features. Come on in and see us so I can show you a little bit more in depth of how to use these things and what we have. Chad Lands here at Guarantee RV. Come on in and see us.